Hello, St. Louis. Hello. Hello, Missouri. Hello, America. Today was a blow. It was a blow to freedom. I don't care how you spin it. I've seen a lot of conservatives try to wrap this in a bow and put a bow on it, and that's crap. Today was a defeat for liberty. And I'm not the one who's going to buy it that, this is some kind of win if we just look at the pages and read page 95, okay, out of 200. I'm not buying that, okay? Personally, and forgive me for speaking for anyone here except for myself, I'm sure there's probably a couple people here who feel the same way I do. Yeah. And I just want to say, I have a history like many of you. My ancestors came to this country, and they settled actually in Iowa, of all places. Western Iowa, which is like a tundra in the winter. But they did that to get away from whatever they were escaping. And they did that because they wanted a better life. And they did that because they believed in the individual, which is what our country is based on, the individual. We are not a socialist nation. No way. We are not some kind of collective. Right. We are individuals. And we all have our individual rights of freedom and religion and speech. We still have those rights. That's right. They haven't rounded us up yet. Today was a blow to freedom. Today was a blow to freedom. But this is a long war, and this was just one battle. That's right. And we know that we got a few battles ahead of us now. We thought today we'd be a step closer, didn't we? Yes. I woke up this morning, I was in a good mood, and I couldn't wait till they were when they were going to release on the Supreme Court website the final decision of what they found with Obamacare. All right? And then I was one of those who, when they first reported it, I was one who said, all right, we won. Yeah, me too. And then about 2 minutes later, you realize, no, we didn't win. Obama won. The socialists won. The big government Democrats won. And the big government Republicans won. We didn't win. The Tea Party didn't win today. But you know what it did? It energized us. And it's 105 degrees or 107 degrees out tonight, and still you guys came out. And I congratulate you for doing that. Because if you're like me, my ancestors came here to have some freedom. They didn't come here so that somebody could tell them when they get a paycheck at the end of the week that they got to give it all away to somebody so that I can pay for somebody else's birth control. All right? Sandra Fluke can buy her own damn birth control. I don't need to pay for a Georgetown graduate student who's an activist. I don't need to pay for her damn birth control. She's got a rich boyfriend and they went to Europe. And she wants me to pay her $9 a week birth control? Hell no! Hell no! Hell no! And I'll tell you what, I'm not going to go down silent. I'm just not going to get in line and walk like a bunch of sheep or walk like a bunch of lemmings off the cliff. Because these fools out there who think that this is some kind of grand plan where everybody's going to get everything free, they're full of crap. This isn't going to be free. Has anyone looked at Europe lately? Has anyone seen the Athens burning lately? Has anyone seen Spain or Italy or those other countries and how broke they are? Now, here is one idea, though. Maybe we should demand Germany pay for our health care. They're so willing to pay for everybody else's stuff. Maybe we can get them to pay for this, because I don't want to pay for it. I want to be able to make my own decision and buy the own plan that I want. And I'll tell you what, we got some work ahead of us. And we got some people that we need to put an X on their back. I'm not saying a target, okay? For any lefties who might be here tonight, I'm saying we put an X on their back, and they're the ones that we mark, and we get them out of office. Right. Because they're doing understand what this country was built on, and that was freedom, and that was liberty, and that was the individual, and we're not going to go down silent. And if they have to lock me up, like they did some of these leaders in Eastern Europe when the Soviets came in, if the Obama army has to lock me up, then let it be, because I'm not going to be quiet, and I'm not going to go down. I'm not going to go down easy without a fight. And I hope that you're with me. They tried to kill our freedom. They tried to take our liberty. But we're not going to let them. We're not going to let them. Maybe she will. She's pretty easy. We're not going to let them. Today our liberty is not dead. We just know we got another battle ahead of us. We're not going down easy. Because this is not the United States of America. The United Socialist States of America. This is the United States of America. And today we found out that Obamacare wasn't just a big effing deal. It was a big effing tax. And we're not going to buy it, are we? We're going to continue to fight, and we're going to elect officials who are going to get us out of this mess, and if they don't get us out of this mess, we'll get somebody else in.
Hell yeah!
So I hope you're with me. Today isn't the end. Today is the beginning of a new battle. Thank you, St. Louis. Thank you.